Top 10 Best U.S. Cities to Buy a House or Start a Business in 2024. Several factors like real estate prices, cost of living, quality of life, and educational opportunities for families with children are crucial. Here are some cities that stand out. 1. Austin, Texas. Real estate prices. Median home price around $550,000. Cost of living relatively high. Medium cost, approximately 10% above the national average. Highlights: thriving tech scene, great schools, and family-friendly activities. 2. Raleigh, North Carolina. Real estate prices. Median home price around $410,000. Cost of living lower than the national average, about 5% lower. Highlights: strong job market, excellent public schools and parks. 3. Boise, Idaho. Real estate prices. Median home price around $450,000. Cost of living generally lower, about 10% below the national average. Highlights: outdoor activities, family-oriented neighborhoods, and growing job market. 4. Phoenix, Arizona. Real estate prices. Median home price around $475,000. Cost of living close to the national average. Highlights: warm climate, plenty of amenities, and good schools. 5. Omaha, Nebraska. Real estate prices. Median home price around $300,000. Cost of living below the national average, making it very affordable. Highlights: good schools, family-friendly atmosphere, and low unemployment rates. 6. Charlotte, North Carolina. Real estate prices. Median home price around $400,000. Cost of living slightly below the national average. Highlights: thriving financial sector, recreational options, and strong community vibes. 7. Salt Lake City, Utah. Real estate prices. Median home price around $550,000. Cost of living similar to the national average. Highlights: great schools, outdoor recreational activities, and growing economy. 8. San Antonio, Texas. Real estate prices. Median home price around $350,000. Cost of living below the national average, making it affordable. Highlights: rich culture, family-friendly attractions, and a robust job market. 9. Tampa, Florida. Real estate prices. Median home price around $400,000. Cost of living around the national average. Highlights: warm weather, beautiful beaches, and numerous family-friendly activities. 10 is Davenport, Iowa. Real estate prices. Median home price around $280,000. Cost of living 10% below the national average. Highlights: good schools, community-focused, and an affordable lifestyle. Conclusion: when choosing a city, consider the job market, school quality, and lifestyle amenities that cater to your family's needs. Each of these cities offers a unique blend of affordability and opportunities, making them great options in 2024 for both home buying and starting a business.